Alright, so how the story goes. Here is the program for our last lab. As you can see here, we're initializing pin 11 and pin 2. So our pin 11 is going to be an output, and our pin 2 is going to be an input. So void loop means this is going to run continuously in our if statement here. So if our pin 2 is high, this series of commands is going to happen. If it's low, then our pin 11 is going to be low, which means when we refer to our circuit here, the relay won't activate or energize. The relay coil won't energize. So this is the circuit here. We have our 5 volts here, aka our switch. We have our ground feeding this whole bus on blue. As you can see, our jumper wire goes across and feeds that whole bus too in the blue side. And this is our first circuit here. So we have our switch, our pin 2, and our 5 volts just feeding this whole red bus here, and our 1K resistor, which is being tied down to ground. So when we do the transistor portion, we have our pin 11 feeding the base of our transistor. The emitter is going to ground. Our collector is feeding our pin 1, and our 5 volts is feeding our pin 16 of the relay coil. So we have our common point in this white wire and our normally open contact in this green wire. So the way this is working is when our pin 11 is high for 3 seconds, it's going to turn this transistor on with low base current, and that is going to cause the relay to energize and pull down our normally open contact, which turns on our LED.